It's me, Caleb. And, we found this thing. Just sitting there around. It broke. So, stress ball isn't that useful when it's broken.
Yeah.
I'm gonna break it more. And I'm gonna hit it with my baseball bat. Hopefully I hit. That was awesome.
There's like this, in the camera you can't quite see it, but there's like this cloud of flour all around. Then there's this trail of flour. It's quite weird to breathe this in.
Tastes weird.
You tried tasting it? Where did it even go?
Oh, there's a mark on my bat now.
Oh.
Slight mark, but it's a mark. Okay. Here. Let's see if I can get this off. Nope, it's not really coming off.
I'm checking to see where it went.
It's like a jet trail. Dun-dun-dun. What the heck? There's more than just flour in here.
Oh yeah. Oh, here it is.
Well, this is the end of the video. So yeah.
Found the remains of it.
Oh, there's still
has a
some
bit
stuff. Sprinkles, lollipops, and
No, it's mine.
I messed up the intro. I messed up the song from Cloudy with my chance of meatballs. Well, that is it. Bye bye.